So in the interforaminar region, we have two techniques. One is engaging the body of the mandible. Second is engaging or passively resting the implant on the base of the mandible. In the mandible anterior region or posterior region, we never perforate the base of the mandible. The base of the mandible should never be perforated. Got it? This should not be perforated.
Yes.
This is the only place in the mandible because
So where we know.
I didn't hear your question. I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it. So what happens is if we perforate the basal cortex, so what happens is there is the pathological weakening of the mandible and the mandible might fracture. Okay. So there are two techniques in the interforaminar region between the two foramens. It's clear to everyone. Everyone knows the interforaminar region. Any doubts in the interforaminar region? Okay,
No.
so there are two techniques. If we have very high density bone, if we have D1 or D2 bone, what we can do is we can place the implant directly in the body of the mandible. We don't go till the apex because the bone density is very good. This bone in between the body of the mandible, there is no cancellous bone in mandible because it's very hard bone. So this bone acts as the basal bone in itself. Right? So we can engage the implant here only. Right? But when the bone density is very low, there is cancellous bone present, there is D3 or D4 bone present. What we do is we go till the base of the mandible, but not perforating it. Not perforating it. The implant is passively resting on the base of the mandible. Got it? The implant is passively resting on the base of the mandible, not actively engaging it. So the choice of implant is Basal Classic. In case very dense bone, it's D0 bone. It's like rock hard, patthar hai bilkul, stone. Then we need low torque implants. Then we go with the Basal Classic 3.6 mm diameter in D0 bone, just like stone bone. In D3, D4, any kind of bone, like I told you, we go with the various implant. Or we can go with the tornado implant also in the mandible anterior region. Because tornado implant can be rested on the base of the mandible also. So it will take advantage of the soft bone. Sometimes, like I show you in this slide, the bone here is very soft. So the tornado implant passively rest on the base of the mandible while compressing the spongy bone. So this implant can also be used.